If you are searching for the perfect Mother's Day gift and you want her to react like this,
Oh my gosh.
then stick around.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I'm very happy to see you here today. I wanted to share a mini review of a new product that I've never actually featured on my site, but it kind of just came across my social media and I saw it and I thought, oh my goodness, this is so pretty and it's so cool, and I thought it deserves a feature. It's my first time ever even buying this, but yeah, since Mother's Day was coming up, I thought this would be really nice to send people, and I have actually bought quite a few of them, so I thought we could actually like open them up and review them together, because I did see in some of the comments that it's important to do this before you send it to the recipient, just in case it's like spoiled. So yeah, the products that I want to show you today are these really fascinating bouquets of flowers, and they're basically like pop-up cards in a sense, and it basically looks like that. And I've bought 4 different designs and they come with a card. So basically this brand is called freshcutpaper.com. I went onto their website and basically they had this deal going on, and it was 6 for $50. So if you buy, oh no, sorry, it's 5 for $50, because normally if you're spending, it's like $12 for each one. But if you are purchasing them like, in bulk, so like for them that's 5, then you basically get 5 for $50. So they basically reduce $2 from each card that you purchase. So they're like this big, like you can see, this is just so that you can see the size comparison. And I bought like different designs because I wanted to send out some as Mother's Day cards, and then I had other reasons.
Okay, so this is the Freshcut paper website, and you can see that they have a video already showing you, some of their beautiful bouquets. This is the grand version of some of the other products that they have, but I just wanted to show you as you scroll through the options that they have. Like this was especially for Mother's Day. You can see over here it says 3 for $72, and then there are these smaller ones which are 5 for $50. So basically you can buy each one for $10 instead of the price that they're showing you over here, which is $12. Over here you can see they've got hearts. I've bought this English daffodils over here. I purchased these as well. And you can see that there are just so many beautiful designs. Like I haven't tried getting the poppies or the cherry blossoms, but these are so pretty. I really think that I may actually end up just doing that. So they do have the option to personalize the card on their website, and it costs an additional $5 because they will print out the personal note on a matching card and then they'll put it into the bouquet. So this is basically shipped directly to the recipient. So this actually is, if you don't want to actually purchase the bouquet, handwrite your note yourself and then send it to whoever you want to. This is basically if you're just in a hurry, I suppose, and that makes it more convenient. I went for the option on Amazon. I didn't buy any of these from the website, and basically I had to handwrite it, but I actually felt it was a pretty easy and simple process, so I don't have any regrets. And here, yeah, they're telling you again that this option is available. That's 5 for $50. You can purchase any of them, and you're basically going to get each of them for $10. They're very beautiful, and I'm just going to scroll down here so that you actually get to see all of the different designs. These look absolutely incredible, don't they? They have so many options. It's just wonderful for Mother's Day. It seems like such a good option, and I just wanted to let you know that when I was shopping on Amazon, and I will show you what I purchased, people were actually complaining about the price to actually send these bouquets, and let me just show you the price that I actually paid for them. Okay, so this is Amazon, and you can basically see what they are showing you over here. This is the actual page, and if you scroll down over here, you're going to find the same products, and you can see the prices over here. I actually paid more than this. I paid, I think, $11 for each thing, and for some reason or the other, I'm checking back today and everything's gone down to like $9 and $9.50. I totally wish I had gotten those prices, but it's something that you guys can easily do, mostly because if you have Prime, you're going to get this the very next day. It is really fast. So if you need something for Mother's Day or for any occasion, really, this is a wonderful option. It just is so affordable, and it's beautiful, you know, it just takes your breath away and it makes you feel kind of special. Like I would feel really special if somebody actually sent me one of these cards. And I just want to show you one of the pages. We're just going to come over here. Yeah, it says over here, you know, it's you're gonna get the delivery and everything, but if you come all the way down here, there are some people who are actually talking about the price that it costs to actually send these cards out. They were saying that it's actually more than 4 first class stamps in the US, and I just wanted to let you know, and I'm putting my receipt up here as well, that it was actually less than 4 stamps, and it cost much cheaper than I actually expected it to. So that's actually made it a win for me. These are just some reviews, you know, you can see people and how happy they are getting them. But yeah, I just think that I'm really overall happy with the way that this is, and the pricing is affordable. I think it may just depend on your post office, but you know, this is just a wonderful option for Mother's Day, and I just had to share it with you because I'm in love with these products.
So yeah, let's begin with English Daffodils, which is so pretty. Just look at that design, like it's so gorgeous, and I love this. So you can actually post it in this. You're supposed to post it in this because it's not supposed to be bent. So I'm going to open it up, and we're just going to check and make sure that that beautiful bouquet is exactly as it's meant to be. And I'm actually so excited about this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. So I'm not it's actually 3D, and you're supposed to like open it up. I can see there's like a rubber band and stuff inside. Okay, so that makes sense. But you basically like press it like this to open it up. So I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but it ends up becoming like a beautiful bouquet that I love this. Oh my gosh, I am so happy that I found these. These are so worth it. By the way, if you go to Amazon, you can actually find these for cheaper. I'm using an account which is a business account, so I kind of got these between $10.50 and $11.50, but this is beautiful. It's worth the price. Oh my gosh, you know why I love this? Because like usually when you give people flowers, they're like, you know, yeah, they're lovely, but you have to water them, you have to look after them, and then after that, you know, they die. So it doesn't last. But this is so wonderful, and I'm also thinking it would be absolutely perfect for somebody who has allergies, you know. So just look at this. This is stunning. I'm in love. I'm seriously in love with this. Like I want to buy so many more. And I also got this card with it. I'm honestly really impressed. I'm super impressed with this. Like just wow. And this one is from my mom, so yeah, she's gonna be excited. Let's open the next one. I'm so excited to see what it's gonna look like. Alrighty, so let's go to the second one. That's gonna be Butterflies and Buttercups. They do have a lot of different designs, by the way, on their website, and I would highly recommend just going and checking out all of them. I'm beyond thrilled about this. So I do know that with Butterflies and Buttercups, this is a new design, and so this is the card. As you can see, again, if you were to purchase this on their website, you would pay $5 extra. So I would really just buy it from Amazon because that just makes more sense money-wise. Okay, I do know that with this particular one, the butterflies come separately, and you're actually supposed to stick the butterflies onto the thing. So I'm not going to be able to do that now. I will do it later because I have this in mind for someone, and I'm not going to spoil it, but I will just double check this. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Honestly, I'm in love. Like I love this so much. Like I don't want to open it because I don't want to have like trouble putting this back, but oh my goodness, seriously, the quality of this is incredible. And again, the reason I'm opening and I'm checking all of these is because some people on Amazon had written scathing reviews. They were like, oh, mine came, you know, like this and blah, blah, blah. And they were just so unhappy with it. But I actually really am so impressed right now. I can see there's a few places where it hasn't been cut properly, like right over here, but it's such a minimal thing. Like who's going to take a magnifying glass and like go and look at it and be like, oh, you know, I just realized that this thing hasn't been cut properly. So It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It is a wonderful idea, and I just wanted to state that if you have friends who have allergies but who love flowers, perfect present, isn't it? And even someone in the hospital, like you could give this to them and they wouldn't have to clean up, they wouldn't have to do anything, and they could keep it even after their visit, you know? So this is, I'm just blown away. I'm absolutely blown away by the quality of these. And this was purchased, you know, like I'm not doing this to get anything from it. I'm doing this because I just felt so excited when I saw these products on Instagram. I was like, oh my goodness, this is so freaking cool. Like I want to see if this is actually like for real and if it actually works. And as you can see, it definitely does. Like I actually really love how they personalize each envelope as well. Like this is the butterfly one. Then you saw the English daffodils one, which was yellow. Just this one over here, like they're just so beautiful. Like I think whoever created this has put a ton of like love into their work, and it's so worth it. It's so gorgeous. My goodness. Okay, so this is for another friend of mine, and I can't wait to send it to her. Let's open it and see. So this one over here actually came with the bouquet, so this is kind of weird. I'm actually wondering if this is like some kind of mistake in packaging, and then you can see these gorgeous flowers, and I cannot wait to send this to my friend. Like she is going to love this because yeah, I think she's gonna love this. This has been slightly bent over here, so that's the bummer. That's a bit of a bummer, but you know, it's paper, so you kind of have to keep it very, very carefully. I'm just looking at, so when you actually open it out, it looks gorgeous. And there's a message here from the founder. Hope you enjoy the flowers, Peter Hewitt. Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. I'm really digging these. I just kind of wish that there was a bit more consistency, because this actually has instructions like on how to open it, and I kind of feel like that would have been nice with the English daffodils and the butterflies as well, because you know, when you're sending this to someone, they may not necessarily know how to open it. So it's got the Bird of Paradise card, and I absolutely love Bird of Paradise. So it's a very small card, by the way. It's like, no, not like my hand is this big, and this is the size of the card, so that should give you some, you know, idea of how big it is. I'm just going to repack this very, very carefully. I'm actually sending all of these out tomorrow because Mother's Day is coming up, so I need to get all of this done as fast as possible. I think it's a good idea though that I decided to like check everything, because obviously some are different, you know. So this is the white rose one, and it's just, again, stunning design, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here we are. They have included everything, so that's perfect. Look at them, they're just so beautiful. Honestly, I would love for someone to send me this. Like, I would absolutely love it if I got this in the mail. I would be so happy. So the only thing about this is you can see a teeny weeny bit of like, I think it's just those edges really that are, yeah. And again, I don't want to open it up fully, because if I do that, then it's going to open up, and you know, the person who's receiving it should do that. But these are stunning. They're beautiful, absolutely beautiful and stunning. I'm really excited, and again, they have sent the bouquet, so I'm really happy about that. I'm wondering if that was like a later edition or something. Like I'm not really sure, but yeah. So I can see minor flaws because it is paper. I think maybe something the brand needs to do is actually create a slightly bigger envelope so that, you know, the flowers don't actually get spoiled. And then of course, again, you receive the card. So I actually think buying on Amazon may actually just be a better deal. Amazon has always been pretty great with customer service. You know, when I call them and I tell them, hey, I'm having a problem, they are more than happy to fix it for me or give me a refund. So that's why I kind of think maybe if you are interested in trying out freshcutpaper.com flowers, then you should definitely do that. Okay, now it's almost in, but not fully, because obviously you don't want those flowers to get bent, right? So yeah, that would be my only criticism. Beautiful product. You need to get a bigger cover though, Freshcut. Like if you're listening and you see this review, please get a better and bigger envelope, because it's a bit tough like for people to put it back in, and like nobody's going to spend like a ton of time hoping that it fits exactly inside. So, you know, you're going to have some bends, and I think that that kind of takes away from the charm of the product. So that would be my only criticism. But otherwise, I'm a fan, and I absolutely I do love it. And I can actually see that some of the roses have got small bends like right over here, because, you know, the thing is not big enough. So I'm gonna fold it probably a bit higher so that those bends don't get reinforced. But I do love it. I love it. So yeah, this is my mini review of Freshcut flowers. I have a couple more coming. Maybe I'll do another review when those actually show up. I'm really excited, but I love this. I'm very excited to send these out, and I can't wait for my friends to receive them and, you know, let me know their thoughts on them. So yeah, let me know if you're going to be getting any of these for Mother's Day. I think that these are perfect for any occasion. They have a lot of different types of flowers and lots of beautiful designs. So yeah, definitely something worth checking out, and because they're colorful, they deserve to be on Colourful Indian. So if you'd like to see more lifestyle videos of mine, do check out the lifestyle section. If you want to see shopping, check out the Temu's, check out the Temu playlist. And if you like makeup, there's a ton of makeup on my channel. So yeah, you should not have a problem finding makeup videos on here. So anyway, thank you for joining me today. I will see you very soon for another video. I hope you have a wonderful week. Lots of love to you.